I would like a volunteer. Can I get a volunteer? I want to show you why all that you're discussing today and hopefully you will implement is very important. Why you need to make your campuses have good networks to be wireless. I was specifically going to push on the solar powered routers. We've put them in several institutions with the help of Red. And can I have a volunteer? Anyone? Volunteer? Yes? Go to the back, please. Please go to the back. And you'll be instructed what to do. I'm going to digress, but the future is here, it's now. As the cyber school, under the MasterCard Foundation e-learning initiative, we are helping institutions build up their capacity for e-learning. Key to that is making sure that you have good quality internet, not only to the campus, but all across the campus. Now, the solar-powered wireless mesh node is very key because when you deploy it all around the campus, students and faculty have access to what? High-quality internet. It does not affect your power bill, and even now, they're being made locally, right? So you're creating what? Jobs. This, I think, is one of the best things Reno has brought. There are many good things. There. You go to all the stores, there are many good things. Simplify. The quality of those routers is good. We've tested them, we've tried to push them. We put them in refugee camps, under bridges, just try and what? We test what Reno gives us to make sure it works. Because if the young person tells you that once they say it does not work, they will not try what? Again. And so we have to make sure that technology works. So where's my volunteer? You're there, right? Go to the gentleman there in the booth. I hope you can see the screen. This is an AI tool. I would have loved to have deployed it on my phone, but I didn't come in time. If the network is working, young people will take advantage of AI. And they can do that on campus, off campus, with EduRoam, but you have to, as I implore you, to take advantage of AI. So we're going for a job interview. This is an AI tool we have developed. We are going to ramp this up to over 500,000 Ugandans in campuses will be able to access these AI tools. So if the mesh node is not working, if you're still on Cat 6, when, as the gentleman has said, fiber is cheaper, it's not stable, we cannot take advantage of what? Technology. Even AI can help you make your networks better. So could you type in the job role? I'd like him just to type in. He's going to sit an interview for us right now. This is built on 4.0 ChatGPT. And we also need you'll have to type it in again because of the spelling. You're going to notice certain things. So you put in any job role. We've been teaching it to think and answer like a Ugandan. We've been trying to teach it on the Ugandan model. We need good networks so that young people can get on, you can get on. So scroll down. As you type in the job role, if you scroll down, it has come up with about 16 questions you'll be asked in an interview. And then it also comes up with another 8 questions in every interview you are what? You are asked. So just pick any question you'd like to answer. I'm on the Reno mesh node. So if the network is slow, if it's not working, it's what? Is that infrastructure? Right? Have you picked? Click next. He said he wants to answer what inspired you to pursue a career in lecturing, especially in Nigeria. I was able to get a large Nigerian data set, so we've trained it on the Nigerian data set. Hopefully, we will train it on the Ugandan data set as well. So can you click on the blue button there? And I hope the mic is connected. Is the mic connected? So everyone can hear the question.
What inspired you to pursue a career in lecturing, especially in Nigeria?
So that's the Nigerian accent. It has just picked that from the question. The question
What
was,
inspired you to pursue a career in lecturing, especially in Nigeria?
please answer the question. Look into the camera and I hope everyone can hear.
What inspired you to pursue a career in lecturing, especially in Nigeria?
I like teaching, and making people understand things is my passion.
You can click submit. Have you clicked submit? Click submit. I think he can. Yeah, click submit. As you saw, the camera came on. So the AI was looking at his facial features. It was listening to his voice. It listened to his answer. It has given him a what? A response. So it has rated him out of 5. On persuasiveness, he had no strength. It gives a weakness and it gives a recommendation. On the detail of what he said, on the choice of words. If certain words were used too long, if certain pauses were made, it'll pick up on those things. It also picks up on his facial expression. It gives him what to avoid, what to improve. So if you scroll all the way down, so this can only be done with what? If the network is working what? Well, if it's fast, if the routers are good, if it can be managed. So as you can see, thank you. We can clap for our volunteer. We put him on the spot. So AI is here. We're even using it now in what? Uganda. But we need a strong what? Backbone. And it needs to be accessible everywhere. So go wireless is what I'd advise you. The mesh node is there. We have young people testing this. We're partnering with Renu. We support each institution that we partner with to get the technology. You also have to look at if this is running on an LMS and you have quite a bit number of users, then you've got to look at the cloud hosting services. Because if we are ramping up to millions of students accessing land management systems, using the networks, so everything in this room is what? Is connected to give better delivery to what? To young people, to get young people in Uganda ready for the future of work. The future of work, we know part of it is what? Is AI, right? The mesh node is out there. I think we've deployed 10. We're going to probably deploy a few more. If you go to Chirumuro campus in Bara University, you'll see a lot of Simplify gadgets. Also in Lokopio, we've done that. I think this week we're finishing in Chakatu in the refugee what? In the refugee camps. When that model is successful, we're going to go to all the refugee camps, partnering with Renu to put in what? The mesh nodes, to use fiber to get to the last what? To get to the last mile. On security and firewalls, we've done boosting. When we boost you, I'm time bad? Right? Okay. When we boost you, the problem is network administrators then go and hold the internet. They don't want to give it out. Maybe you don't know how. Renu will teach you how to use a firewall, how to make sure you're safe, how to make sure every single student and faculty member has enough what? Bandwidth. And as I'll end with this, they have not paid me, but I have benefited a lot, and institutes are benefiting. Take advantage of all the technology you see here. Pick it up, test it. I think the monies, Nicholas will figure it out, and some of us will also help with the monies and the what? Support. Thank you.